Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Knowledge Academy's Python programming series. Today we're tackling an essential skill for every programmer: error handling. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, a string error handling will make your code more robust and reliable. Let's dive in. So what exactly is error handling? It's all about gracefully managing exceptions or unexpected situations in your code. Instead of your program crashing, you can handle errors smoothly and provide useful feedback. Let's explore the basics. One of the most common ways to handle errors in Python is by using the try-except block. This structure lets you try a block of code and catch any exceptions that occur. Let's see how it works. In this example, we try to divide by 0, which raises a zero division row. The except block catches this error and prints a friendly message instead of crashing. But what if your code could raise different types of exceptions? No worries. You can catch multiple exceptions by specifying them in your except block. Here, we catch both value error for invalid number inputs and zero division error for division by 0. This way, we handle different scenarios gracefully. What if you need to perform some cleanup actions, like closing a file, no matter what happens? That's where the finally block comes in handy. The finally block runs whether an exception occurs or not, ensuring that resources like files are properly closed. Before we wrap up, let's discuss some best practices for error handling. First, always be specific with your exceptions. Catching general exceptions can hide bugs and make debugging difficult. Second, provide meaningful error messages to help users understand what went wrong. Avoid using bare except clauses. Use finally for cleanup actions. That's a wrap on basic error handling in Python. Remember, handling errors gracefully not only makes your code more robust, but also enhances the user experience. Before we wrap up, if you're eager to master more Python skills, check out the Knowledge Academy's e-learning platform. We offer interactive courses, practical projects, and real-time progress tracking, all at your fingertips. Join our community of learners and get started with courses tailored to your needs. Sign up today and unlock your potential. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.